and it helps to reduce the chance of irritation from the essential oil. So all three of those are really good benefits of the FCO, or fractionated coconut oil. Hey, it's Lance McGowan here with Essential Oils Me, and today we're going to talk about the benefits and uses of patchouli essential oil. Patchouli is a bushy herb from the mint family, which stems reaching 2 to 3 feet in height and bearing small pink-white flowers. Easily recognized for its rich, musky, sweet fragrance, patchouli is regularly used in the perfume industry as well as in scented products such as laundry detergents and air fresheners. Patchouli is beneficial to your skin in many ways. It is often topically used to help reduce the appearance of wrinkles, blemishes, and minor skin imperfections, and to promote a smooth, glowing complexion. The fragrance of patchouli provides a grounding and balancing effect on your emotions. Some may think it's an acquired smell, but it still has health benefits nonetheless. The top 3 common uses for doTERRA's patchouli oil are aromatics, so breathing it in, topically, so if you can point to it, you can put it there, as well as internally. The main benefits of patchouli oil are that it reduces the appearance of blemishes, balances emotions, and repels insects and mosquitoes. The directions for use are diffusing 2 drops of patchouli with 2 drops each, wild orange and bergamot, to ground your emotions and relieve anxious feelings. You can also apply 1 to 2 drops with a fractionated coconut oil to your face and neck in the morning and night to promote a smooth and glowing complexion. And I like to use doTERRA's fractionated coconut oil right here. And this is a great carrier oil. It's non-greasy, has no smell, and it helps the essential oil absorb better into your skin. It covers larger surface areas on your body, and it helps to reduce the chance of irritation from the essential oil. So all 3 of those are really good benefits of the FCO, or fractionated coconut oil. You can also add 1 to 2 drops of the patchouli in a veggie capsule in the morning and night too to support your health. And then the veggie caps from doTERRA are what I like to use. So you just take one out, open the capsule up like so. You place the 1 to 2 drops inside, then you take with food and water for best results. And then the waters you want to choose ideally are reverse osmosis, alkaline, or distilled. Well, that concludes today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to click the like button if you did, hit subscribe for future video updates, and most importantly, check out the links in the description below to continue to get your learn on, and I'll see you in the next video.